Right people, good morning. It's another review day, which means another parkour day. And is trying this jump, and we're gonna test the GoPro Hero 8 with a hypersmooth and different many settings. Stay with us. That was a perfect timing for an intro. Now guys, filming 120 frames per second, hypersmooth on, super view and auto shutter speed. I'm gonna try this jump as well in POV mode. In terms of color, I'm using flat color right now and using the mic, the internal mic of the GoPro, just to test how the audio comes out. And now we do this jump. Out. This is a very cool spot, by the way, guys. So testing the GoPro Hero 8. Right, I'm really not taking care of the camera, so I'm jumping all over the place. I think it works pretty well so far. By the way folks, this is the first time I'm using the GoPro Hero 8, so bear that in mind. I'm still looking through the settings and understanding how it works, but it's kind of the same as the old GoPros. In terms of microphone, I don't have the option for wind, so this is the natural mic of the camera. There's always someone jumping around. Ah! Sophia, if you represent.
Yeah.
If you represent Matt, the purple man. Andy represent. If you represent. Check the brand out. WEFEW.net. Okay, we're gonna add some flip to the route now and see how the GoPro performs as well, and how I perform, because I haven't done front flips in a while. So here we go. That's our stride. Andy's gonna do a stride, and I'm gonna do a front flip, chasing him and Larry as well. So they're gonna be in the front row, and I'm gonna chase them.
I'll just have to...
Okay, quick change of settings. I'm now using the camera without hypersmooth, and also I put the wind mode of the microphone. So let's see if it actually helps in decreasing the wind noise. So we're gonna do another one, guys, without hypersmooth. This time we're not gonna do the front flip, so we see the whole route going through, and again see how the GoPro performs. I'll probably go on sidewise as well, try to run faster than the guys and take them from the side. Go, 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 go. We can't do this anymore, but I'm not happy with the GoPro without hypersmooth, so I think I'm gonna use it for the day. Woohoo!
That is the starting.
First cons I found in this camera is to take the SD card off the actual camera. So the slot is in a really weird position. So the tip is take off the battery and then it will be easier to take off the SD card too. Okay guys, I'm trying the 4K recording now, 60 frames per second in wide mode, and also the GoPro color straight from the camera. So let's film Matt doing this cat lip right here. Take it from this side. Can I give you the when?
Straight to the floor. Yeah.
Right, how did it look?
Yeah, straight to the floor.
WEFEW represent. Yay! Settings to 2.7K, 120 frames per second, wide mode. Let's go. Go, 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 yo, 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 yo. Okay, this is an audio test, guys, so I put an external microphone, the Rode Video Micro, and see how it performs in terms of audio, if it's clean, if you can hear me better than the normal audio from the camera. So that's how it sounds. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna take the mic out, do the same thing right now. And this is the audio directly from the camera. I don't know if you can hear me as well. There's a bit of wind. We are in Tower Hill today. The weather is very weird, so it keeps raining and becoming sunny again, so it's kind of rough, a bit slippery, but it's good fun with this bunch of friends right here. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is the end of the episode. I hope you enjoyed the test. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this camera. I think it works really well with the hypersmooth on. Consider to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.